Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am getting a new vehicle. I'm sitting down in the office with the salesperson. I'm coming from work. I'm look a bit dark here, so I'm gonna take the vehicle for a test run. Reason being that Tony had an accident with his, so I'm gonna give him mine and get something else, you know. So see you when I'm gonna test drive this vehicle. So guys, this is the vehicle. So I'm gonna go inside and see what can be done. Just a little gadget. That's a nice vehicle. I'm not doing any. I'm not putting you in there. Oh.
Six to 2.
Okay. Oh, all right. That sounds good. So guys, I'm coming out now. I'm the last one, and I am going home. Tony. So this is. I'm walking out of the place. Tony's on the phone with me. He had to stay, and that's the vehicle over there. Oh. So I'm just running through the shortcut here and go out. The car mart, they come and drop my Jeep off, and that's the other vehicle that I normally drive. So I'm gonna take this home and come back with Tony to get this one. Drive back to pick up the other vehicle. So let me jump out. And Tony.
You want a bucket to get in there or what?
Eh? See it, hold on. See it, look. See, that can fit you. Then you have to go to pull something to go up. See them feel better. That's Tony in there.
The front bit to go down.
Oh, press down. Press the side. Down. Play with it.
Oh.
Having a feel of it.
Feel of it.
Ah. So here we are, going back to my workplace to pick up the next vehicle. So Tony's testing out the new girl. Woohoo! You like it?
Spread over on it. Hit that one.
Yeah.
And then hit that one.
Oh.
But don't have your foot on the accelerator when you're doing it.
Oh.
Have your foot there to find the gauge, then take your foot off and touch it.
Oh. Okay. I like it. It's fast. It's fast.
Fast?
And it's high. You don't feel higher than them?
Yeah.
Special hello to Anne and Louis from Mitchie and Tony. guys, because I'm coming from work. So Tony's having his test run.
And one.
So we are trying to work out.
It's connected. Oh, you should be able to put a name on
Yeah.
it.
So guys, after the test run of the vehicle, we are in Aldi, picking up a few items. Actually, we started picking up. You see what Tony showing me? This is what Tony showing me. So we need a toilet bowl cleaner. Yeah, we have some
You got
at
some
home.
sardines or no?
No, pick up some of these.
These ones cheaper one.
Yeah. So we're just stocking up on some small items. We have corned beef. Mayonnaise. Oh yes, ketchup for you. You should just take one big box London.
Nah.
Oh, alright. True. So here they have nutmeg, onion powder, oregano, paprika, parsley. Yes. Here we need olive oil. Thyme, rosemary, cardamom, cumin, Oh, okay, we need some coconut oil. Let's go around here. That's Tony's way down that side. Let's look at a few items in the middle here. We have towels. $50. That's a nice cast iron pot. Metal wipe. Let's have a look at these. Spatulas. is a good little gadget. This is for taking out the middle of the pepper. I'm not leaving this one. I'm getting this. Nice mop. Carpet cleaner. $1.29.
They've only got one loaf of bread in the whole rack.
Mm-mm.
And it's some fancy thing with oats all over the top of it or whatever.
This is for pepper. Take out pepper. $3.
We don't. But we're going. We're probably good.
What kind of a broom is this? Dustpan set. That's good one. A notebook and pens in Aldi. Wow, they look so good. All these notebooks here. And this is what? What is oh, this is a beautiful one. A notebook and pens in Aldi. Wow, they look so good. All these notebooks here. And this is what? What is oh, this is a beautiful one. Wow, what are these? What is that?
God knows.
Oh, God knows. Oh, okay. Saw.
Axle.
Hacksaw.
Miter box.
Miter box.
Miter box with a tenon saw.
Oh, okay.
But you know what? My question is, when you're using a tenon saw, that because it's got the rib because the blade's so wobbly,
Yeah.
it's going to get stuck in there,
Oh,
especially on the straight cut. Anyway, they'll work it out.
okay. Like a flip flop. So guys, we are coming out. This is going to be the end of this video. Out of Aldi. What? What?
You get the thing drifting. They work better like this.
Huh?
They work better like this.
Yeah, you work better like that.
Try and go straight. They go quicker for you.
So we are done. We pick up all the little bits that we want. And there is the new girl. Well, new in my life. They've been around a long time.
It's new to you.
Yeah, not new to me. I throw my things them already night from work. The back seems to hold a lot. It have a nice rubber. Wow.
Yeah, to walk into.
No. Come on.
You have to be watching out for that. When you're loading this thing,
yeah.
watch out you don't drive your knee
Lift
on
the
that
end of
tongue.
this mat with your hand a little.
Hmm?
Lift the end of this mat. I think something underneath there. Oh.
Stick, I don't know.
Okay.
That's where the spare tire is.
Oh, you can put them over here so too. So
Yeah.
next place is sardine and
Okay. Stop from running around.
so guys, this is where the video ends. We'll see you in another video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.